Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgeverse, where we spotlight the best tech tools to power your content, creativity, and productivity. Today we're lighting things up, literally, with the D50 LED Video Light Panel Kit, a professional-grade 2-pack lighting system perfect for video shooting, streaming, photography, and more. Each panel measures a generous 15.4 inches, offering broad and even lighting that flatters your subject while reducing harsh shadows. Whether you're a content creator, live streamer, or videographer, this setup ensures your footage looks crisp, clean, and professional every single time. With a powerful 4.5W output per panel, these lights don't hold back. The adjustable color temperature range from 3000K to 8000K lets you create the perfect ambience, go warm for cozy, cinematic looks, or cool for a more clinical, studio-style tone. The bicolor dimming system is smooth and intuitive, allowing you to fine-tune brightness and warmth in real time to match your scene or environment. What really sets these lights apart is the CRI 96+ rating, meaning you get accurate color reproduction that keeps your skin tones natural and your product colors true to life. A must-have for professionals and aspiring creators alike. The build quality is rock solid with a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame, making them durable for both studio setups and mobile rigs. You also get multiple mounting options for versatile positioning, and the included AC adapters and adjustable light stands mean you're ready to shoot right out of the box. Whether you're working on YouTube videos, Twitch streams, product photography, Zoom calls, or TikToks, the D50 LED panels deliver next-level lighting that dramatically improves your content quality. So if you're ready to take your setup from amateur to cinematic, these are the lights to get. Check the link below to level up your lighting game today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more daily tech drops, only on Gadgeverse.